removing a broken screw from inner threads. I already drilled a hole, and now I'm using the easy out with left-hand threads. This way I can reuse this handle pull. They told me they lost the screw. I couldn't find it either. Then after I bought new screws and went to put it back on the cabinet door, the new screw wouldn't go in, and I realized, oh, we got a broken screw off in here. I need to get it out. It's out. I wish I could have shown you me tapping it and drilling a hole down the center. Tap it so the small drill bit doesn't skip around.